never really thought truck driving and bird watching would go together, but wanted to share this little clip here. I'm outside of Columbus, Ohio, and I got a female cardinal sitting on the spotting mirror of this truck over here, and it seems she's getting a little territorial. Sees her reflection in the mirror, and I don't think she likes what she sees. Thinks it's a rival. But here we are at a very busy truck stop right next to Interstate 70, and there she goes. Yeah, very cool, very cool.